The foundations of internet marketing and automotive sales. Understanding the digital landscape. The automotive retail industry has undergone a digital transformation. Buyers now turn to the internet for research, reviews, and comparisons before stepping foot in a dealership. Over 80% of car buyers conduct online research before visiting a showroom, with platforms like CarGurus and AutoTrader playing a significant role in the decision-making process. Comparison websites allow potential buyers to evaluate prices, features, and availability across multiple dealerships from the comfort of their homes. Additionally, online reviews have become pivotal, as a majority of buyers trust reviews as much as personal recommendations. This shift has redefined how salespeople must approach marketing by integrating transparency, responsiveness, and digital tools into their strategies. This shift emphasizes the need for automotive sales professionals to understand digital platforms and buyer behavior trends. For example, platforms like CarGurus and AutoTrader dominate the research phase, while social media platforms influence buyer trust and engagement. Why internet marketing matters. Expanded reach. Online marketing allows salespeople to target customers not just locally but regionally or even nationally. By using geo-targeted ads, you can focus on potential buyers in specific areas where demand for particular vehicles is high. Cost efficiency. Compared to traditional media such as TV or print ads, online campaigns via Google or Facebook ads offer better ROI. For instance, Facebook ads allow you to spend as little as $5 per day to reach thousands of potential buyers. Targeted marketing. Advanced data analytics tools provide insights into customer preferences, enabling personalized marketing. For instance, a salesperson can use email campaigns to send tailored promotions to prospects interested in SUVs, trust building. Customers are more likely to trust salespeople who are transparent online. Responding promptly to reviews on Google My Business or offering behind-the-scenes videos on Instagram fosters trust and loyalty. The key skills today's auto sales professionals need. Digital literacy. Salespeople must familiarize themselves with essential tools such as Google Ads, Facebook Business Suite, and CRM platforms like Salesforce. For instance, learning how to track website traffic using Google Analytics can provide valuable insights into customer behavior. Consider online tutorials or platforms like Coursera to enhance your digital knowledge. Participating in workshops or dealership training sessions can also improve your understanding of these tools. Content creation. High-quality visuals and compelling captions play a crucial role in engaging audiences. Use tools like Canva to design professional-looking social media posts or Adobe Spark for quick and dynamic video creation. For example, you could record a video tour of your dealership or a top 5 features segment about a popular vehicle model. Leverage free resources like YouTube tutorials to sharpen your skills in video editing and graphic design. Setting clear goals. Successful internet marketing starts with measurable goals. Here are examples. Increase dealership website traffic by 25% over 3 months by utilizing targeted Google Ads campaigns. Generate 50 online leads per month through strategic Facebook and Instagram ad placements. Convert 20% of online inquiries into showroom visits using personalized email follow-ups and automated workflows. Leveraging tools for success. To make these goals achievable, leverage tools such as Hootsuite, schedule social media posts across platforms. HubSpot, automate email marketing and manage leads effectively. Google Trends, identify trending vehicle-related keywords for blog topics. Feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of internet marketing? Let social sales success handle the heavy lifting for you. From content creation to scheduling and strategy, we've got you covered. Visit socialsalessuccess.com to learn more.